What is up, you guys? How are you all doing out there? I hope you're having a super rad, super awesome day. I'm Ashley with AHM Artistry, and for this holiday makeup review video, I am going to be reviewing and talking all about and doing lip swatches for the new Buxom Strike Gold lip gloss lip liner set that came out for holidays 2019 makeup launches. And you guys, spoiler, I really like these lip glosses, lip polishes, lip creams, whatever you want to call them. I haven't tried the lip liners yet. We're going to try them today, but they are super glossy, nice. They have that plumping effect. They're lip plumpers. But yeah, we're going to be talking that. We're going to be showing you some lip swatches. Now, before we jump into it, I do want to say really briefly, if you are new to my channel, new to my face, new to my vibe, I would love it if you would consider at any point in time going down, hitting that little red subscribe button. That way you get notified when I post new videos, which is about 3 times a week. Anyways, you guys probably don't want to hear all of that. You just want to jump right into those lip swatches and see if there's any differences between the lip cream and the lip polish finish and all the shades, because they're all fairly neutral, but we got some pinks and we got some browns and stuff in there, and I'm really excited to try those lip liners. So enough jibber jabbing, enough about that. If you guys want to see all that, then you know what to do, and if you don't, I'm gonna tell you and get used to it, because I'm always gonna tell you, don't worry. Go ahead and sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. Boop! Let's talk specifications and details really quick. So like I said, $39 for this whole bundle. It comes with 2 of the lip creams from Buxom and 4 of their lip polishes. And then you also get 2 of the plumping lip liners, which is debatable, of course, whether the lip liners can actually plump. But I mean, all of them, I mean, you'd have to really like study and see it make a difference. I like that tingly feeling. It definitely has that. You get that plumpy feeling, that kind of slightly burning, minty, cool type of feeling. And I think that you either love it or you hate it. I am in the camp of loving it. Let me know down in the comments below. Are you a plumping type of person? Do you like that feeling? Do you like that minty and cooling sensation? Or you like stay away? No, thank you. Because I get it, you know, to each their own, but I like it even if it doesn't necessarily actually plump. I feel like my lips are plumper, so it doesn't matter because I like it and I'm addicted to that feeling. So anyways, back to the value of it. $39 for this whole set of 8, and it says it has a retail value of $86 if they were to sell them basically individually. Now, I did a little bit of math, I did a little bit of digging for you guys to see is the value actually there. Now, they don't sell these in a mini separately, but they do have a couple kits, and then of course they have the full size. You'll probably be happy to know that the minis that are included in here for the glosses are half the size of the full size. Now the full size is $21. So what, $10.50 would be these sold individually, hypothetically, right? This comes out roughly to $4.89 per piece, because for $39 you get the 8 pieces in there. Now it is slightly debatable because the lip liners are slightly less than half of what the full size is, and the full size is $18. So it's, let's just say it's $5 a piece for each one, roughly, more or less. So that's a pretty good value if either you like all the shades for yourself or somebody that you're gifting it for, or if you want to break these up and make your own little goodie bags with these, if the shades would work for the type of people that you're buying them for and everything like that. So I think that the value is usually there in the lip gloss sets from Buxom and some of the other brands. So I'm excited to have this. I tend to lose my glosses all the time, so I like the minis because I never will finish a full size. So let's just get real. I lose my full sizes all the time, and then I find them a couple weeks later, and it's just there is one other set that I saw available for $25 for 5 of the mini glosses. I think it was the polishes. Those ones have a 3 limited edition shades in it. So I like this set in particular because none of them are limited editions. So if you happen to either buy this for yourself, somebody else, or you break the set up and to give it to different people, if they like the mini size, they can actually purchase the full size when they're all done with the mini. So that's really cool. I think I like that better for gifts. I think it depends, because I do like the holiday type of theme. I have some sets that we'll be trying later that will just be exclusive for holidays, and when it's done, it's done. But I do like for gifting that they can get the full size later for themselves, you know? I think that's pretty cool. Even for me, if I love one, I can go out and get it later. So let me go ahead and pop up on the screen right now all of the arm swatches. So the first 2 on the left-hand side will be the creams, the lip creams, and then the lip polishes, which are the next 4. And then of course you can see side by side the difference is in hues and colors. And then we have the 2 lip plumping liners on the end. Let me know also, have you tried the lip liner? Do you see a difference? I don't know. We're gonna get to that in a second. And we're gonna move into lip swatches right now, but before I do that, I do want to mention what is on my lips right now, because I am wearing one of the glosses on top of a lipstick. So I was already wearing the NYX Suede matte lip liner in Sandstorm with the Dose of Colors lipstick, the Lip It Up lipstick in Toast, which is a nice brownie, kind of has like an orange, burnt orange undertone to it. And then I topped my lips with the Serena lip gloss. So this one has a little tiny bit of sparkles. Honestly, I don't see too much now that it's like mixed with lipstick, but I used one of these lipsticks on a liquid lipstick the other day and I didn't actually feel the plumping effect of it. But now that it's on with this lipstick that's more moisturizing and maybe it like has more airy feel, I can still feel the plumping aspect of this, as opposed to the liquid lipstick that I guess created more of a shield. So that's interesting, I thought. I don't know. I'm just throwing it out there. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the little lip swatch segment, which will just be music and silliness and lippies. So let's go check it out. Alright, you guys, so there are all of the lip swatches all done for you guys to see. Now, I don't know if you noticed as it was going through between the lip creams and the lip polishes, but do we see a difference? Do we? Sound off in the comments below if you think you see a difference. I'm still confused. I thought this would help, but I'm still confused. I don't see. It seems like maybe there would be more pigment in the lip creams, but like these deeper shades that I did, like, what is it? This one, that one had a lot of pigment, Gabby. That one was banging. So I don't know. All right, I got it. I just went onto Sephora's website to look at the differences of the Buxom glosses. The only difference that I can see is that the lip polishes will have a shimmer finish to it, a shimmery effect. It's kind of, honestly, it's hard to tell when you wear them. It's hard to even see the shimmer in some of them. Some of them you can definitely tell, like the one I held up the flashlight for, but some of them you can't. And then the lip creams will not have any shimmer to it. Both of them are super glossy though, so if you are somebody that does not want any kind of glitter or shimmers, you should be safe with the Buxom lip creams. Now, if you don't care either or, then you can go with either one. But if you like a little bit of shimmer in there, if you think even if it's micro fine particles it makes a difference for you, then you can go with the lip polishes. I hope that clears things up. It definitely helps me a little bit. However, I think overall they both kind of look the same. Okay, there we go. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for sitting down and watching my lip swatches and my little review of these lip glosses. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would love if you take that moment to do that really quick. That way you get notified when I post new videos, which is about 3 times a week. Thank you again so much for taking time out of your day and watching this little video. And I hope that every single one of you out there, every single one of you right there, yes you, go ahead and have a great, freaking awesome, wonderful, beautiful, glossy gloss, super shiny type of day.